Hi guys, this is Farzan and welcome back to Farzalosi, and I'm here with another new video. And in this video I will talk about a brand new magical tool of Photoshop. This is gonna be a very useful tool in Photoshop. So let's get started. In the thumbnail you have already seen that I'm not recommending to use the Content Hour tool anymore. But why? In this video I'm gonna show you why and how to use the brand new tool of Photoshop. For a very long time, Content Hour tool is one of the most used tool in Photoshop and it was very reliable. But now Photoshop has introduced a new tool called Remove tool. And believe me, this is a real good. This is precise, this is accurate, and this is quick. So in this video I will compare it and I will show the results. So let's jump into the Photoshop. Okay, this is the picture I'm gonna use. You can see in this picture I want to remove this skull from the fence. So you can see this is a very complex picture, right? Because you have to fix the fence. This is the most difficult part here. So this is a very complex picture and that's why I have chosen this one. If we can fix this, then we can fix almost anything. So let's see. At first I want to try the Content Hour tool. Okay, at first select the subject. I'm gonna do a rough selection here. Okay, that's fine. Now right click on the mouse and you will find the Content Hour fill option. Okay, okay, that's fine. Here, new layer. Okay, just hide it. Okay, press OK. Press Command and D and look at this. Look at the fence. I think this area is good, so I have no complaint in this area. But look at the fence. Look at this. It's not right. It's not right. Totally. Okay. So this is the result we got in the Content Hour fill option. Okay, now it's time to test the new tool, the new Remove tool of Photoshop. You will get it from here, the Remove tool, the new Remove tool. Okay, just click this and look at this bar. Here you can control the size, of course the brush size, and then there is an option called Sample All Layers. That means if you create a new layer, it will affect both the two layer. It will affect all the layers that is present in your layer panel. Okay, then there is another option called Remove After Each Stroke. If you enable this one, that means if you click once and release the mouse, that it will remove the area and fill. Okay, and if you unchecked it, that means you can pause. You can select multiple areas and you can pause during your selection. Okay, that means, okay, let's see. I am selecting the head right now, and then because I have unchecked the Remove After Each Stroke, now I can select this area too. And now after that, just you need to click the right symbol. That's it. Okay, I am undo the selection. I'm undoing the selection. Okay, that's fine. Now let's see. Okay, I'm checked. I'm enabling the Remove After Each Stroke, and now select the subject. Okay, the selection is done. Now let's see. Look at this. Just look at this. This was the before and this is after. Look at the fence. It is almost perfect. It's almost perfect. Let's check the Content Hour fill and look at this. This was the situation during the Content Hour fill option. And now this is the result. It's almost perfect. Okay, maybe there is some problem here. Just click and release. Look at this, it's gone. Same here, and maybe here. Look at this. And some problem here. Look at this. Look at this. Now look at this. The fence is looking just perfect. And this is really, really good. Isn't it? It's really perfect. And that is why I am recommending this tool from now. Okay, there is one problem. This tool is available right now in the Photoshop beta version. So you need to go to the you need to go to the Creative Cloud, and here you'll find the beta option, and just enable or install the Photoshop beta version, and you will get this tool. That's very simple. Okay, and I hope this tool will be available very soon in Photoshop 2. So that's it. I hope you love this tutorial. If you did, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.